Hi, I am at Gulf Harbor Yacht and Country Club. This is a condo. It's a main floor condo at 11260 Jacana Court. The unit number's right there, 2006. All right, so this is a nice little courtyard you walk up into. And it's got this cool keypad on the door. Love that. All right, just inside the door, right here on the right, we have the washer and dryer. And some built-in cabinets, that's nice. Back in that closet, there's the hot water heater. All right, in here is the garage, one-car garage. None of this junk goes with it though. Just storing stuff for now. This will be completely empty unless you want the fridge. Once the new buyers get in here. All right. So just inside the front door here, we have a nice pantry closet. Or linen closet, or whatever kind of closet you want. Right here is the guest bedroom. And this is a twin bed, but you can easily turn the bed and put it along there. You can fit a king bed in there. Or you could do two twins, which is probably what I would do in here. Some cute decor that does come with. And nice big closet back there. All right. So at Gulf Harbor, there's lots of different neighborhoods. This one's called Tamarind Cay. And this one is particularly desirable for a lot of reasons. One of which is that it's a very social community here in Tamarind Cay. They get together all the time at the new pool area and spa area. Yeah, the hot tub and the pool and the decking, all that stuff is brand new. They redesigned the whole thing, made it very nice. Okay, this is back here is the air conditioner, and it is brand new. Brand new air handler here. Brand new, couple weeks old. And here's the living room. And the dining room. Like that tray ceiling. Very cool. The kitchen has been updated. It's got all stainless appliances in it. Actually, very high-end stainless appliances. They're all Whirlpool. And this nice chef's sink as well. And a new garbage disposal. This is a solid surface countertop, like Korean countertop. New microwave, new range. All brand new. That's me. I'm Dina Sowers. Here's my new cards. Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube page. I appreciate it. So that's the front of my new card. And here's the back of my new card. Ended up having to have them reprinted because there's like a little overlap there, but. And then that little scan me thing takes you right to my YouTube page. So tell me if you like my new cards. I would appreciate it. Dina Sowers, look for the flowers. Here is the kitchen nook area. Very nice. That's new lighting. It's hard to, it's too shiny. Turn off the light and so you can see the new fixture. So very nice, very updated fixture. And then right off the kitchen and off the living room and off the master. Each one of these rooms has a door leading out to this nice private lanai, very private. No one can see you. You can't see anybody. Come out here in your PJs and have your morning coffee. A nice little bird feeder out there, but very private. And I like the private lanais. I don't like looking in on somebody else. A lot of people prefer that view to the landscaped view. I like the landscaped view better. I don't want to look in somebody else's house, and I definitely don't want them looking in mine. All right, here is the master. Right inside the master, there is a linen closet. And walk-in closet number 1. So that's walk-in closet number 1, walk-in closet number 2. So this condo actually has 2 walk-in closets with lots and lots of storage. So it's very nice. Tons of storage in this one because, you know, we don't have basements in Florida. You gotta have a lot of closets. This is the master. And so there's 2 nightstands and a king bed, and then there's still lots of room. If you wanted to put like a nice little armchair there or something, you could. And then right out there again is the lanai, the ultra private lanai right back there. And here's the new air conditioner right out there, brand new. So this is a condo at Gulf Harbor Yacht and Country Club. So you can join the golf club if you want. It's around $80,000 to join the golf club. You can join a social club here too that would get you access to the main clubhouse for the restaurants and the bar and things like that. There's tennis and things like that. So you can, there are add-ons for this, but you don't have to have them. You only have to have just the local little HOA here. And I'll show you the sheet. $374.9 is what this one's going for. It's around 1,500 square feet. And then on the back here, you've got the recurring annual fees right there. So that is the HOA and the condo fees all together that you would pay annually for this condo. So if you have questions about this house, or if you have questions about Gulf Harbor, or if you have questions about Fort Myers or Southwest Florida, if you have questions about new construction, if you have questions about anything, contact me. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to like it. I mean, if you watch this whole video, you kind of liked it, you must have kind of liked it. So it doesn't cost you anything. Hit that like button. I would appreciate it. There's my contact info. Oh, I should show you my new one instead of my old card. There's my contact information. Dina Sowers, look for the flowers. Thanks for watching. Call me about Gulf Harbor or any other place in Southwest Florida. Thanks.